Yo, what's up, lovely viewers? Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to host your PHP website, how to run local host files. So I'm just going to open my file manager and show you the simple login and create page I've created in PHP. So let me just open it. I have to go to my files. Open to my internal storage. I'll scroll a little bit. Okay. So this is the particular folder I'm having here, testing. So this one you can see I have create.php, database connect.php, index.php, login process.php, signup.php, students portal.php, and then this subfolder here is my database. So right now I have to go to this particular software I downloaded from Play Store. So I will just leave the link in the description of this video. So you have to install this particular software in your phone, a web server. So I have to launch a web server here. So I have to launch it. Okay, so it's installing. As your first time of launching the application, that's what you are going to get first. So you have to be patient and wait for it to load. Wait for the installation process to finish. Okay, so allow a web server to access photos, media, and files. So I'm going to allow that. Okay, so right now this is the document root for my local host, and this is going to be my service. So what I'm going to do right now is that you can set a default port for it, but I'm using 8080 as my default port. So I'll start the server. Just going to do start. So the service Apache have started. I'm going back to this particular site. Come here, my SQL. I'll make sure they say the user is root. The password can be now. So I'm just going to start the service. So it has started. MariaDB. Okay, here you can give your default. You can change the default username and password, but I'm just going to leave everything to be the original one. Okay, so this one is just going to show you how. So I will open the localhost page, and I'm going to choose Chrome. You don't need to on data before accessing this since it's a local host. Let's wait for it to come. So this is what it's going to be. So the username is root, the password is null. So I'm just going to put root there and come to go. That tell me log in without a password is forbidden. So the password too is also root go. Wait for the system to load up. Okay, so basically that's how it's going to look like, as if it's from a desktop or we are using a laptop or PC. So okay, this is what you are going to see, just the same localhost php my admin, just like the XAMPP or the WAMP server. So I'm going to host my site. I'm going to come to new here, and then my database name, I'm just going to do the name of my database here, my database. This is the database, the name that I use for this project, my database. So I'm going to hit create here. Okay, so after hitting create here, I'm just going to head on to import. Let me go to import here. Come on. So I'm just going to head on to import. give me a minute. Okay, this is the window that I am. Okay, so I'm just going to import it. I'll choose the file, come to my files here, then come here to my phone storage. I'll scroll down to the folder testing. So this is testing, this is DB, and then I'll select the DB. After I selected it, I'll come to go. Okay, so everything have been imported successfully. So you can see this my database. I'm having a table called login users. And so let's go on to now view this particular site. The same thing. So what I will do now is I'm going back to my Aweber server. I'm coming to this part, coming to this. Alright, to view the site, we are going to pick this document root option. I will select this, come to internal, hit OK. Let me scroll a little bit. Let me scroll till I get to testing, the folder, our project folder, and select it. When it's done, what I will do right now is to come to the address here. This is the address. Hit the address. I will hit just once. Alright, so this is the site that we have hosted, locally hosted. Okay, and you can edit the code. Let me show you how to edit the code. You can come to this here and then pick the file to edit. Let me look at testing here. You can pick this index. You can edit and then save. Okay, so basically that's how to host PHP and MySQL files locally on your phone. That's the best method that you can view a PHP website on your phone locally. My next video will be how you can host it online for anyone to have access. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you enjoy watching this video.